Hello, this is OCR Further Statistics. We're in Non-parametric tests 2 and the second video on the Wilcoxon matched pairs signed rank test. Occasionally, it's a good idea to stop and work some things out for yourself, or review what's just been covered. Whenever you see this symbol, pause the video and follow the instructions before continuing to watch. If two populations have the same shape, the population of paired differences will be symmetrical. So we can use the Wilcoxon signed rank test and can word the hypothesis test in terms of the median. Note that we are not assuming that the populations themselves are symmetrical. Let's look at the scenario from the previous video of competition writers wanting to compare puzzles. Here is some data from a set of 10 people solving both puzzles. Look at the hypotheses. Is this going to be a one-tail test or a two-tail test? The alternative hypothesis states just that the median time is different, so it's a two-tail test. However, there's a problem. What shall we do about person F? Pause the video while you make a decision. OK. Well, they didn't finish, so we don't have a time for them. We could reasonably say that they took a very long time, longer than anybody else. And as we're only interested in ranks, we can just rank them as 10th. OK, so we're going to do a Wilcoxon signed test by ranking the differences for each pair. Note that I've already shaded the negative differences. Then we take the modulus of the differences as usual, and then rank them. Pause the video while you complete the test. OK. Hopefully you found that W plus is 39 and W minus is 16. Did you remember to add W plus and W minus to make sure the total was the 10th triangle number? So our value for T is 16. We have a sample of size 10, so we look at the n equals 10 row. It's a two-tail test, as we are testing to see if the median is different, and the 5% level. Our critical value is 8. Remember that we're looking to see if T is small enough to reject the null hypothesis. So the critical value is the largest T can be and still reject the null hypothesis. Our value of T is 16, so it's larger. It's not in the set of values which leads to rejection of the null hypothesis. And we draw our conclusion in context. There is insufficient evidence to suggest that the median time for each puzzle is different. OK, that's a lot of steps, so pause the video while you go back over the method on this page and rewind it to listen again if necessary. That's the end of this video on the Wilcoxon matched pairs signed rank test. In the next video, we'll look at the Wilcoxon rank sum test for unpaired data.